Hi, Kyla. It's nice to see you in a different state now. Aside from that, of course, I have to ask you about your upcoming concert. The line of songs that you're making, hindi ka na pa-finalize. Do you think it's like a little, a little late na, yeah, na ginagawa nyo ito?
Siyempre may line-up na po kami ng mga songs, pero hindi pa rin siya talaga na-finalize kasi like ako, sobrang excited talaga ako. Sobrang dami kong gustong gawin. Kasi siyempre, isang concert na hindi natin pwedeng gawin lahat. So we're trying to finalize and just to choose which ones would be nicer to sing or to include in the repertoire.
And it's supposed to be like gonna tell the story, your story, in the concert. Have you already also seen yung venue ninyo, yung Via Theater?
Hindi na po siya nakita, pero si Ate Perez po yung cornerstone, si Kuya Erickson, yung sinasabi nila sa akin, kinukwento nila na sobrang ganda daw ng Via Theater. And para daw siyang kasi recently, di ba, pinadala po ng TFC sa London.
Yes.
And we watched the playlist with me, Rachel Ann. And yung theater doon, yung Queen's Theater, sabi nila at the rest, it's like parang ganun daw. So, na-imagine ko na sobrang ganda.
And with the big venue,
Yung venue daw, wala daw siyang patay na lugar. Yung kahit saang lugar tumakbo, maganda siya. Kita na yung stage.
alright. And are you excited about working with the other artists that are also coming, like JR, Casey, and Santa?
Very, very excited.
Have you already talked to them about what particular songs they're going to work on?
We've been talking a lot about kung ano yung gagawin namin duet. And we're cooking something really nice. Like kami ni Casey, we're so excited kasi yung gagawin namin kakaiba. So we're gonna try to twist yung isang song na favorite song ko, ibahin namin. And then si JR, sabi ni JR, kumanta daw kami ng kanta na kami ng gawin. Yung kami na lang yung unang kakanta noon. So, sige, gawa tayo ng something na ganyan. And then, si Eric, hindi pa kami nag-uusap kung ano nagawin namin sa mga. Siguro, pumikita kami kasi nasa London siya naman.
Alright. How about your album? How much of it will be included in the concert?
Sa album.
Yes. Because of course, medyo limited din yung number of songs that you can sing. Probably like a span of 2 hours or 1 hour. How much of it?
Siguro po, naisip ko lang, medyo madami na rin po akong na-release na single.
Yes.
And siguro po, gagawa kami ng isang medley. So we can do, parang, they can hear snippets or a little bit of everything na lahat ng mga songs na nagawa ko na record ng mga singles ko na na-release namin. Or, we can do isang buong 3 songs na medley. Kasi, pwede mo madami na din po yun.
Yes. How about
13 albums. I've already released 13 albums. Yung release ko namin this month will be, I think, my 12th or 13th.
are they all reruns? Because I haven't really seen it yet. But are they all remakes? Or
Sa album po,
yes,
the
or
day
the other originals
release
also?
yung i-release po namin na album, compilation siya of the songs na hindi siya na nagawa ko with different artists all through these years, 15 years. And then I also recorded new songs.
New ones.
Opo.
All also composed by someone.
New songs na nagawa ko before na hindi pa siya na-record.
Alright.
And release. Yeah.
Who would be like the special people that you would like require to be in your concert?
Special people
Yes.
I will require.
Yeah. Required sila. Yung kumbaga, hindi pwede, hindi mo wala.
Siyempre yung family. Yung, my parents, this would be the last siblings. They're all already in Canada, and my parents are also in Canada. And this concert will be the last concert na makikita nila ako. So I really wanted to be special para sa kanila. And probably I will do a song that my mom and dad really, really likes. Kasi meron talaga silang nire-request sa akin for the longest time na never kong ginawa at saka never kong pinakinggan. And this time, I would probably do it for them. Kasi I want to make them happy.
Alright, that would be special. Thank you very much, Carla.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Pag yun
Carla.
talaga na-attach, medyo na-emotional. Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, John, for the emotional question.